Very good evening, students. I welcome you all in my GK class. Today we are going to discuss something very important topic, that is reasoning, right? So just pay attention here. Question number 1 is, which number will replace the question mark in the following? You all can see here is a circle and some numbers are there, 1, 8, 27. You have to find out the connection between the numbers and you have to tell me which number can replace the question mark in the following, right? So if you will notice to the numbers over here, you will get to know that 1, 8 and 27. 8 means it is a cube, right? It is a cube of 2. 2 twos are 4, 4 twos are 8. And what is the cube of 1? That is obviously 1, 1 ones are 1, 1 ones are 1, right? And what is the cube of 3? 3 threes are 9, 3s are 27. Then you all can see there is a relation, 1 and then 2 and then 3, right? It's a cube of 1, it's a cube of 8, and 27 is cube of 3. So what will be the next number? That will be 4. So cube of 4 is 4 4s are 16, 4s are 64, right? So the correct option is 64. I think it's clear to all of you. Moving to the next slide. Which number will replace the question mark in the following, right? You all can see in the circle question mark 4, 5, 6, 7 and 16, 25, 36. You have to find out the relation between the numbers, right? So what's the square of 4? 4 4s are 16. What's the square of 5? 5 5s are 25. What's the square of 6? 6 6 are 36. And the next number is 7. So the square 7 so the square of 7 is 49. So the correct option is 49. I think it's clear to all of you. Moving to the next, right? Find the missing one. You have to find out the missing number over here. So in the circle you will notice that 121, 169, 225, right? So you have to do this using your mind as we had done earlier. At the same pattern you have to do this, right? Here you have to use your mind. So just use your mind and write down your answer in the comment box below. Okay, next slide. Which choose the word which is different from the rest. Four words are here in the first question: tea, cardamom, pepper, and hanger. You have to find out the word which is different. Tea, yes, it's a crop. Cardamom, yes, it's a crop. Pepper, it's a crop. But hanger, it's different. It's different from all the words, right? So the solution is hanger, right? Except all we get from plants. We get tea from plants, we get cardamom from plants, we get pepper from plants, but hanger, no. Here the next question is, choose the word which is different from the rest, right? Chair, stool, bench, table. If you will note, if you will read it carefully, you will notice there is a connection, right? Chair is used for sitting, stool is used for sitting, bench is also used for sitting. But what about table? No, we don't sit on table, right? So table is different from the all, right? I think it's clear to all of you. Moving to the next slide. The same you have to do here again. You have to identify which one is different from the rest. You will see in the given slide chicken, duck, frog, and swan, right? So you all can see that duck live in water, frog, yeah, that is amphibiana that can live both water and land. Swan is also, but chicken lives on land, right? So all the three, duck, frog, and swan, are same, right? But chicken is different because chicken cannot live in water. The next one, choose the word which is different from the rest. This is for you, student. You have to find out, right? You have to just find out which is different from the rest and answer me in comment box below. Which one does not belong to the group? So here you can see option A 63, option B 84, option C 91, and option D 80, right? So you have to find out the connection. Here you can see 63. 63 is divisible by 7, right? 7 9 63. 84 is also divisible by 7. 7 1 just 7, 7 2 are 14. 91 is also divisible by 7. 7 1 just 7, 2 remainder, 7 3 are 21. But 80 is not divisible by 7. So the number which is odd here is 80. Okay. Moving to the next one, which one does not belong to the group? You all can see in the given slide. A is equal to 25, B is equal to 75, C is equal to 64 and D is equal to 81, right? And you have to find out the connection. If you will notice, you will find out that 25 is the square of 5, 64 is the square of 8, 81 is the square of 9, right? 25, 64, 81, they are square, but 75 isn't a square of any number, so the odd one number is 75. Okay, which one doesn't belong to the group? Again, you have to identify which number doesn't belong to the group, right? So just it's for you. Find out which number doesn't belong to the group and answer me in the comment box below. I'm waiting for your response. The next one, look at the series 12, 1, 11, 12, 14, 13. What number should come next, right? If you will find out the relation between 12 and 11, you will find out that from 12, 1 is minus, right? 1 is subtracted from 12 and we get 11, and after 11 we had added there 2 and we get 13 there. In 13 we again subtracted 1 and we get 12. Again in 12 we added 2 and we got 14, right? In again 14 we subtracted 1 and got 13. Now what will we do? We will add 2, right? And when will we add 2 in 13? We will get 15. So the correct option is 15. Okay. Pointing to a lady in a photograph, Rinku said, "She is the mother of my mother's husband." How is the lady related to Rinku? Okay, options are mother, grandmother, sister and aunt. Okay, so you have to find out what's the relation. So the correct option is B. How it's the correct? Let's find out. See, Rinku's mother husband, right? Rinku's mother means Rinku's mom, and Rinku's mom's husband will be his father, right? So Rinku's father, right? And they are asking about the Rinku said she is the lady is the mother of his father. So what do you call mother of your father? Obviously you call it grandmother. So the correct option is B, grandmother. The next one, Tina said, "The man going on the road is my mother's husband." How is the man related to Tina? So options are option A, brother, B, son, C, sister and D, father. So correct option is D. How? Let's explain it. Because in the given sentence, Tina's mother, husband. Tina's mother, husband means Tina's father, right? Obviously, so the correct option is Tina's father. It's very easy. Moving to the next one. If the sky is called star, star is called cloud, cloud is called earth, earth is called tree, and tree is called book, then where do we live on, right? So options are here: book, star, cloud or tree. You have to find out the right one. The question is asking about where do we live on. We live on earth, and what do we call earth? Earth is called tree. So earth is called tree. Correct option D. Okay, we live on earth and earth is called tree, so we live on tree. If team is coded as MAET, then code for here is, it's very easy. Options are given here. Then you have to just make a comparison between team as coded as MAET. So if you will compare, you will find out that numbers are alphabets are reversed, right? So the correct sequence is, if you will reverse the here, you will get first of all R, right? When you are reversing it, first of all you will get R, after R you will get A, and after A you will get E, and after E you will get H, right? So nothing is there, you have to just code it, and the coding is done of and coding of team is done in reverse order. Same, you have to also reverse it, and after reversing the alphabets you will get RAEH, right? So thank you for watching. If you enjoy the video, just like it, subscribe it. Thank you.